Hey guys, Ricky Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having an awesome day as always. Little overdue for a video here, so I figured I'd grab this lock that I just got from Bill in my last package there. It's a lock he made specially for me, which is pretty cool. I really appreciate that, Bill. And let's read the note here. This one is for you, my friend. You said you were having trouble with challenge locks, so I went easy on you with the pins. Hope it helps you get better. Hope it helps you get better, buddy. Enjoy. And he went easy on me with the pins, but he didn't go easy on me with the bidding, which is pretty awesome. I love this bidding. Love those challenging biddings. So yeah, let's just see what we can do with it. I'm gonna put it in a kick holder just to make it easier to clamp up in the vise there. And I think I picked into this once, but I didn't check out the pins or anything. I decided to give it a try after I opened that package there from Bill. Been having trouble with this thing. But again, like I said, you gotta have something to challenge yourself to get better. But yeah, what a beast that ASA core is in there with the old style drivers. Oh look, I still have it picked. But yeah, I'm having fun with those ASAs, that's for sure. I think I'm hooked on ASA now. It's just they're so expensive and so hard to come by that I don't have that many of them. But hopefully we'll run into some more in the future. Anyway, enough about that. Let's see if we can get into this Bill Bacardi special. Bill Bacardi Rookie Lock Special. Works beautifully. Push this in a bit. And use top of the keyway tension, 50 thousandths pry bar that I made, and my go-to hook. Yeah. Go counterclockwise, I guess. I think I went clockwise on the last one. I like to try to pick locks in both directions when I can. Okay, so I think we're on 4. That was 5, and 6 seems to be binding, I think. Yep. So we got a decent false set out of her. Let's just go look for feedback, counter rotation. 1, got it set. 2, got it set. 3, got it set. Got a click out of 4, and it seemed to drop a bit deeper. No counter rotation. Counter rotation on, or where was that? I don't know if 2 dropped back down, but getting counter rotation on it. Lost the false set though. Just got a little bit back. A bit back on 4. Counter rotation on 1. A little bit deeper. Can't seem to find any counter rotation. I hope we didn't overset into maybe a spooled key pin or something, because we're still in our false set. Okay, there's counter rotation on. Hard to tell if it's 5 or 6. I think it's 5. Actually, I think it might be 6. Okay, I think we got it, but we lost our false set. Or maybe we didn't get it. Have to let a couple drop there. 4. Oh, that was 4, and now we're getting counter rotation on it. But same thing. Okay. Now we're really deep. Let's try a deeper pick. A little bit too big for this keyway. I'll try to make it work though. And there she is. Sweet. Wow, that was a fun pick. That's good confidence builder after getting beat up by this this thing here and this thing here. Alright, now we get to see what's inside of here. He said he took it easy on me on the pins, so just putting that out there. Let's grab this stuff here, put that there. What did I drop? So we got follower. Okay, so might as well take the kick back out. Put that aside. Put that there. Put that there. Put some of these tools away. I don't know why I keep trying to do this through the camera. Let me try to give you guys a better picture of what's going on. Actually, I try to put some light on. I just got a new white compact fluorescent. I got a shim here, so we might as well shim it just because. If we can get it in there. That'd be good enough. Alrighty. That light's a little harsh, but it's better than that yellow light that I used to have. Alright. 1 standard, 2 standard, 3 standard. Maybe all the key pins will be standard. Yep. And not too surprising. Sometimes you can have a pretty challenging lock with standard key pins. A lot of action with the drivers. And nothing. Yeah, that light is kind of harsh. Nothing in the core. Actually, Bill, if you're watching this, do you mind if I thread some chambers here and maybe do something with the key pins? That way the next person that gets this might have a bit more of a time, since I am quite a rookie. hence the name. Let me know there if you don't mind. Now, this will be the back, so this will be number 1. Nicely. We'll take a closer look in a sec, but kind of like a serrated spool, I guess. And a nice deep spool. Kind of like thick serrations. Oh. Okay, that was in there like that. Nice spool. That was in there like that, serrated. And last but not least, oh, a really sharp, deep spool. That's where that deep faucet came from at the end of the picking there, and that's the one that was giving me the most trouble too. The springs are all the same. I'm not going to bother pulling them. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, they're all the same spring. So that's what we have on this Bill Bacardi Rookie Lock Special. Really nice work on the pins there, Bill. And yeah, like I said, let me know if you don't mind if I do something to the core, and might modify some of these key pins if you don't mind. That way the next person that gets this will have more of a challenge. So kind of like a serrated spool, nice, very nice spool, almost looks commercial. Either like a double spool or really fat serrations. Spool with a really sharp lip, and serrated, and another spool with a really sharp lip. Extremely fun lock to pick, Bill, and really appreciate you sending it to me. I wasn't expecting anything besides keys in that care package there. Everyone else, as always, thanks for watching, and don't give lock pickers a bad name. Never pick anything that you don't own or have permission to pick. Alright guys, see you on the next video.